package reveal is books distributed by Penguin Random House. They are on sale starting August 4th, so they're out now. But I believe these titles are all from Candlewick Press. So let's get started. So there's just two books. The first is Nana Says I Will Be Famous One Day by Stott, illustrated by Andrew Joyner. And so this is a great book for grandmothers to give their grandchildren, or families to read to remember their grandparents, or talk about grandparents. And so this is a very active and involved grandmother who's very supportive of her grandson. And yeah, so this kind of celebrates the relationship between grandparents and grandchildren, but specifically grandmothers and grandsons. But all the characters are dogs. And it's just about how she's always been super supportive, as grandparents tend to be. And here is the grandson learning how to swim, dog paddle, so that's really cute, these references. And all kinds of sports and concerts. Really, this grandmother is enjoying her grandson and really being really involved in his life, which is great. So here we have more sports. And oh my goodness, it's so cute. So she buys all the newspapers if the grandson is in it. Oh, here she got hurt trying to get a front row seat at his basketball game. And now he gets a chance to take care of her. Because she's super active. It's probably hard to keep her from doing stuff. Yes, here she is. Downward dog. So this is cute, funny, a lot of dog references, and yeah, just a really love story to grandmothers. Love it. Okay, the second one is Jefferson Measures a Moose by Maura, Rockliffe, illustrated by S.D. Schindler. It looks like it's a picture book biography about Thomas Jefferson? Yes, it is Thomas Jefferson. And so, yeah, so this is Thomas Jefferson and his relationship about, what is this? Numbers, something to do with numbers. So here he is measuring a moose. So I'm not sure why he's obsessed with numbers, but he is. I mean, there is no reference to Thomas Jefferson being a slave owner, and fathering a lot of children with the slaves. But yeah, here we're sort of celebrating Thomas Jefferson for other aspects. So measuring, I don't know what the point of it is. There's some point about measuring and making a point. And like why a moose is so large, I'm not sure. It's just he carried a pocket ruler and measured everything. But, you know, I think it's easy to over-celebrate the United States, like founders, the authors of the Constitution. But I think, you also have to balance it with, other aspects that are less flattering, like their relationship with enslavement. So, yeah, I mean, less enthusiastic about this theme of the book. Yeah, but I guess if people want to learn more about Thomas Jefferson, they should pair it with, the fact that he was a slave owner. That would be great. All right, well, thank you so much to Penguin Random House for sending me these books, and to Candlewick Press. And also thank you so much for watching this.